What's up, fellow vapers? Welcome to FREETON Vaping World. Today we are excited to introduce the Charm Disposable Vape, a game changer in the vaping world. This sleek, futuristic device is designed to take your vaping experience to a whole new height. Let's dive into what makes the Charm so special. Let's kick things off with the packaging. It's a visual treat that immediately signals the premium experience inside. On the front, you've got the Bold Charm logo front and center, with eye-catching visuals that hint at the innovation within. You'll also notice 30,000 puffs stamped on the box, alongside the key features, dual modes, dual mesh coils, and of course, a stunning product image that gives you a glimpse of what's inside. Moving to the side, more details await: dual modes, dual mesh, dual screens, and touch control. It's not just a vape, but an entire system designed for a customizable, tech-forward experience. The front and back also feature essential warning information for safe use. Alright, time to open it up. Break the plastic bag open, and there it is, the Charm sitting perfectly inside. The moment you hold it, you will appreciate its ergonomically sculpted body, with every curve and angle tailored to fit perfectly in your palm. It's made for maximum comfort in your hand. But let's talk about what really stands out: the 3D curved screen. This is where the magic happens. The Charm features a dynamic dual-screen display that's as functional as it is attractive. On one screen, you'll see vibrant animations that give the device a lively, interactive feel, while the other keeps you updated with real-time information, like battery status, e-juice levels, power modes. It's a seamless way to track everything you need in a visually engaging format. In some privacy, simply tap the screen 5 times, and the Charm enters stealth mode, instantly hiding the display for total discretion. When you are ready to see your states again, just tap it once more, and your screen lights up again. It's that simple, making it perfect for vapers who value both privacy and performance. With Charm, you are always in control. A quick double tap lets you switch between normal mode and turbo mode. In normal mode, you get smooth, consistent performance for an everyday vaping experience. If you need more power, jump into turbo mode, where you get a rapid heat up for intense full-bodied heats. The choice is yours, depending on what kind of experience you are looking for. Moreover, equipped with dual mesh coils powered by MDLI technology, this vape maximizes flavor and vapor production, giving you a rich, satisfying experience every time. It's built to handle high bursts of power, delivering a vaping performance that's both intense and smooth. Charm has 10 flavors: Spearmint, Watermelon Ice, Strawberry Banana, Strawberry Kiwi, Blue Razz Ice, Triple Berry Ice, Peach Mango Watermelon, Dragon Fruit Lemonade, Sour Apple Ice, Cherry Lemon. As for the specifications, the Charm features a powerful 850 mAh rechargeable battery with an impressive e-juice capacity, delivering up to 30,000 puffs for longer-lasting performance and extended vaping sessions. With its dual mesh coils, dynamic dual screens, dual modes, and ergonomic comfort, this device provides a next-gen experience that you'll never want to put down. Ready to take your vape game to the next level? Grab your Charm now and experience it for yourself. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our product today. Comment below if you have any thoughts to share with us. Also, you can subscribe us for more high-quality vapes to come. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy FREETON.